Swanstone is the high-performance, solid surface that looks great and lasts a lifetime, a unique combination in the industry. Swanstone is the ultimate renewable surface, and with routine care and maintenance, your Swanstone solid surface product will last for years to come. The following video details how Swanstone is easy, beautiful, and designed to last a lifetime, with simple cleaning and repair demonstrations. Always wear gloves when cleaning Swanstone and working with chemicals. Clean in a well-ventilated area and keep away from children. Suggested materials for cleaning are as follows. For general cleaning, simply spray water onto the surface and wipe with a cloth. To clean dirt and grime, use a scrub or scour pad with water and a mild abrasive cleaner. Clean the surface thoroughly and rinse or wipe down with water. For unusual stains such as hair dye, spray the affected area with bleach cleaner and use a heavy-duty scrub sponge or Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to wipe the area in circular motions. Wipe clean with a cloth. To remove Sharpie or other permanent pen marks, apply acetone to a scrub sponge and scrub in small circular motions until completely removed. Wipe clean with water and dry cloth. Do use the recommended products listed under the Care and Maintenance section of the Repair and Maintenance Guide for best practice. For dark colors, a fiberglass or automotive wax may be applied to protect the finish. Do not use metal scouring pads or wire bristle brushes. Do not use leave-on cleaners or allow Swanstone to be in prolonged contact with harsh cleaners. Do not use products that caution use on polyester, acrylic, or plastic. Swanstone's color is molded throughout, which means that Swanstone's surface is renewable. Scratches or hard water spots can be easily buffed out with items from the local hardware store. For light or surface scratches, spray Swanstone with water and apply a mild abrasive cleaner. Scrub lightly with a scrub sponge until no longer noticeable. Then spray surface with water and wipe with a clean cloth. For heavy or deeper scratches, start sanding the scratched area with a 120 grit sandpaper. Rub in small circular motions, making sure you overlap the entire affected area. Remember to sand beyond the affected area to blend the surface. Spray the area with water and wipe clean. Check the affected area to see if scratches remain. If so, continue sanding the area with a 220 grit sandpaper in small circular motions. Wipe clean and check the affected area again for scratches. If scratches still remain, sand again with a 320 grit sandpaper in small circular motions. Wipe clean and check surface for any remaining scratches. If scratches still remain, continue sanding with 120 grit sandpaper until surface is smooth. Remember to sand beyond the affected area to blend the surface. Rinse the surface and wipe clean. For dark colors, the surface may appear dull. Apply a small amount of rubbing compound on a clean cloth and polish the entire area thoroughly. For dark colors, apply water and buff with 1800 grit sandpaper, blending beyond the affected area. To brighten the finish, a small amount of rubbing compound may be applied and polished onto your Swanstone surface. Repairing voids in a Swanstone product can be done, but it will take some time and effort. Please note that in order to repair a void, you will need to order a patch kit in the color of your Swanstone product. please contact customer service to order. Remove any loose materials from the void and clean the surface with a clean cloth and acetone or denatured alcohol. The Swanstone Color Coordinated Patch Kit comes with 1 cup of resin, 1 cup of color coordinated chips, 1 cup of hardener, a plastic dispenser, applicator sticks, and instructions on how to mix. To mix, combine the entire amount of color coordinated chips with the resin cup and stir thoroughly with an applicator stick. Next, add 6 drops of hardener into the chip and resin mixture and stir thoroughly until it becomes a well-blended compound. Please note that this compound will begin to harden quickly. Liberally apply the patch compound to the void with an applicator stick. Press the compound into the void so there will be no air entrapment. Allow the patch to cure, which will take approximately 10 minutes. The patched area should be hard to the touch. Make sure the applied patch is a little higher above the surface of the part. Begin the repair by applying 120 grit sandpaper to the void. Sand the patch by using small circular motion over the repair, making sure you overlap the entire patched area. Remember to sand beyond the repaired area. Continue this process until the patch has been taken down to the level of the part you are working on. You may need to check the surface periodically during sanding. Please note that white capping is normal for dark colors. Next, apply 220 grit sandpaper on the affected area. Sand over the patch using small circular motions, blending out beyond the area. Continue until sanding surface looks nearly uniform, checking the surface area periodically. Wipe clean with a dry cloth. Sand with a 320 grit sandpaper to smooth the surface of the void. Remember to blend beyond the area to ensure a uniform surface. Remove any remaining dust with a dry cloth and clean the entire surface area with water and a dry cloth. For dark colors, apply water and buff with 1800 grit sandpaper, blending beyond the affected area. To brighten the finish, a small amount of rubbing compound may be applied and polished onto your Swanstone surface. Wipe clean with a dry cloth.